Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 35,000 miles on the take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.